So a few weeks ago, I was helping a friend whose mom is actually about to move into a modular home. I was helping him to clear out some of the land where that home is going to be, and the guy that's going to deliver the home showed up to, just to check where the home's going to be and that kind of thing. And I got to talking to him, and he said that he has a lot of logs that he usually just has to burn or push into piles and stuff because nobody wants them or nobody can take them. He just called me, so of course I gave him my phone number. He just called me, and Willie, man, get in the pen, buddy. There you go. You're just excited, aren't you? Anyway, he just called me and said he has got a whole bunch of logs, 10, 12, 14-inch pine logs that are free to a good home. So we're going to load up the trailer and we're going to go get them. Well, I just can't think of a better thing to do on a dreary, nasty day like this than go get a whole trailer load full of free logs to cut up and make some lumber out of. I'm really kind of glad this guy called me, because I had planned on working on the kiln today, but it started raining, and honestly, I just kind of got lazy. So it's not raining anymore, so I really don't have an excuse to be sitting in the house. So I'm glad he called and got me out of the house, if nothing else. He's got a loader, he says, and so this is probably going to be a pretty easy job for me. I'm just going to go over there and get the logs from him. He's a real nice guy. What he does is I guess it's his family or something, I'm not real sure, but they own a modular home business, and he takes his equipment around and he clears out the lots to put those modular homes on. And so usually he just piles all the trees up in a big pile and burns them up or lets them rot. And he recently got my phone number, and well, I gave him my phone number, and whenever he's reasonably close to me, he calls me, and if I'm in a place where I can go and get the logs from him, I'll go get them. This is actually the first time I've done it. This is the second time he's called me, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's a little over an hour drive to where we're going, and I'll try to get as much footage as I can of him loading the logs onto my trailer, and me helping him doing whatever needs to be done. And he said he's got some 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch pine logs, and pine is my favorite to mill, so I'm pretty excited about it. So let's just go see what he's got.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto North Comet Street. Arrive at your destination.
This is supposedly it right here, and it looks like it because there's quite a few tracks right in here. Oh, there's my guy right there.
In 500 feet, arrive at North Comet Street.
All right, Siri, I got it. Ooh, there are my logs. Ooh, those are some good looking logs. So here's what we got right here. Look at, man, that is a stack of logs, and there's a few over there. I don't know how many I'll be able to get out of that pile, but this log right here, right by itself, and you're looking at a good solid 14 inches right there. I'm interested to see how much my trailer is going to be able to handle, but he's currently working to position this part of this house over here, so we're going to wait on him, and after he gets done, we're going to see if we can get these logs on the trailer. So that was where the battery gave up on me yesterday, but this is what we ended up with. There are about 10 logs on this trailer, and they are pretty decent sized logs, most of them. So we're gonna get a lot of good lumber out of this. So let's go ahead and get the tractor started this morning and get this weight off of this trailer. So that's all there was to it. If you've got a little small sawmill and you need logs for it, try to get your phone number out there to people who do construction work and land clearing. A lot of times they've got logs that they just pile up and burn or send to the landfill because they just can't do anything with them. And that's really heartbreaking because there's a lot of really beautiful lumber in these logs and it can be useful to some people. Like I said, just get your phone number out there. You really don't have anything to lose. But besides that, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it, consider giving it a thumbs up. And also, I really appreciate y'all's support. The channel just hit 650 subscribers, and it seems to still be growing pretty well, so I'm really happy about that. So thank you for your support. I really do appreciate that, and I will see y'all next time.